What's up guys, it's Erwin and I just wanted to show you this really quick and easy shake that I make. I've only had it a couple times, but I really fell in love with it. I really like the taste, and as a vegan, it really packs a high protein punch, and you really, we vegans, we really need to account gram for gram on our protein intake. So in the shake itself, we're gonna have some oatmeal, some oats, peanut butter, banana, some pumpkin seeds, and oh, forgot the milk. Here we go. So this milk I use is a Silk Protein nut milk, so it's a blend of almond and cashew milk. And in one serving, serving is a cup of this milk, you have 10 grams of protein. So we're getting protein from the milk, protein in the oats, protein from the peanut butter, protein from the pumpkin seeds, and so this is really high protein content right here. The banana obviously is going to be for sweetness, and to blend it all up, I have my trusty rusty NutriBullet. So quick and easy. Later, but go ahead and add your cup of oats. It's a lot of oats. Maybe I should do a half cup. I usually use a full cup for the taller glass, so in this one I'm going to use a half cup. So go ahead and peel my banana. Fun fact, if you peel a banana from the bottom, especially when it's not as ripe, I like my bananas with speckles. But if you have trouble peeling a banana, try peeling it from the bottom. It's much easier. Pumpkin seeds. I'm going to use a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds. That's about 3 to 4 tablespoons, I believe. 2 to 4 tablespoons, a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds. I like to add the milk first before I add the peanut butter because it'll just stick to the walls. But give it a good shake. I'm going to be using a full cup of the milk. Go ahead and pour that in there. Should bring it right up to the line. For the peanut butter, go ahead and add, now a serving of this peanut butter is 2 tablespoons, but because I don't want my shake too thick or the peanut flavor overpowering, I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon. So get my tablespoon. Almost ready. We're missing one thing, and that's ice. You can add crushed ice, you can add a couple blocks of ice if you want. I like ice in my shakes. I like them chilled. Oops. There we go. Okay, now our shake is ready to go. I don't add any sugar because I don't think it needs sugar. The banana is very sweet. That adds a good amount of sugar. The milk has some sugar, it's vanilla flavored. I don't think we need to add sugar. I'm going to check the consistency. If it's too thick, I'm going to have to add a little bit more milk. I'm going to add just a little bit more milk because it's a bit too thick for me. Just a little bit. Alright. Still not as runny as I'd like it, but still pretty good. Let's give it a taste and see. It's pretty good. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting the recipe and everything I use in the description. And yeah, comment and let me know what you guys think.